Time. A storm in which we are all lost. Unfortunately, the clock is ticking, the hours are going by, and the only thing we can do to change our lives is to chase and fulfill our own dreams. It took seeing it with my own eyes to realize that the world we live in is absolutely incredible. It now fascinates me. The sky, the river, and the landscapes. I would like to take you along while sharing some of my favorite experiences from this trip so far. It was the last night of 2020. We were shivering from cold. Our feet and hands were freezed. Sitting outside near the campfire, waiting to celebrate the New Year's Eve. It's been an incredible experience, jamming and singing all night along with the great people.
Ever feel like you can't breathe? Does the water feel too deep? Lie awake 'cause you can't sleep without it. Ever feel like you're alone when you're lost but you're already home? Lie awake 'cause you can't dream without it.
Traveling is not always pretty, and it also isn't always comfortable. But reaching a place where time stands still and the wind blows your ears through the mountains, it literally changes you. I never thought I would travel, but deep down I believe that if there's something you are truly passionate about, nothing should stop you. And if you keep chasing your dreams, eventually all the pieces will fall into